sure. Here's a 3,000-word YouTube video script for an 18-minute deep dive into the 2025 to 2026 Nissan Maxima, designed for your car-focused channel. The Nissan Maxima has always occupied a unique space in the automotive landscape. It's the car that dared to offer the power and sophistication of a sports sedan, wrapped in a package that was both accessible and luxurious. Now, as we step into the future, Nissan has reimagined the Maxima for 2025 and 2026, presenting us with a model that blends cutting-edge technology, advanced performance, and a fresh design language that signals the brand's direction in the coming years. Let's start with the most obvious change at the exterior design. The 2025 to 2026 Nissan Maxima doesn't just evolve from its predecessor, it redefines the visual identity of the Maxima line. The new model takes cues from Nissan's latest design philosophy, featuring a sleeker, more sculpted silhouette that's both aerodynamic and assertive. The front fascia is dominated by a bold reinterpretation of the V-motion grille, wider and more prominent than ever, flanked by ultra-slim LED headlights that integrate seamlessly into the fenders. The hood is longer and more contoured, giving the car a sportier stance that hints at the power beneath. From the side profile, you'll notice a lower roofline that creates a coupe-like appearance, complemented by a strong shoulder line that runs the length of the vehicle. The wheels, ranging from 19 to 21 inches depending on the trim, are pushed out to the corners, emphasizing the Maxima's athletic posture. At the rear, the taillights are connected by an LED light bar, adding a sense of width and modernity. Dual exhaust outlets with polished tips hint at the performance orientation, while the subtle integrated spoiler on the trunk lid completes the sporty theme. But the design isn't just about aesthetics. Nissan's engineers have worked hard to improve aerodynamics, reducing drag and enhancing fuel efficiency. The underbody has been smoothed out, and active grille shutters help optimize airflow at different speeds. This focus on efficiency also extends to the materials used. The body incorporates more lightweight high-strength steel and aluminum, helping reduce weight and improve handling. Step inside the 2025 to 2026 Maxima, and you're greeted by a cabin that is both luxurious and elegant. The dashboard design is minimalist yet functional, with a massive 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster paired with a similarly sized touchscreen infotainment system. This dual-screen setup is intuitive, with haptic feedback and customizable layouts that allow drivers to prioritize the information they need most. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the system supports over-the-air updates, ensuring